Is your Citroen C1 windscreen washer pump not working? Same problem if it's a Peugeot 107 or a Toyota Aygo. Today I'm going to show you how to change this pump. So stay tuned, let me show you how. I'm going to assume that you've checked the wash wipe fuse, which is on the left of the instrument binnacle, the third fuse down there, 20 amp. Raise the front right corner of the car, supported on an axle stand, wheel off and chock one of the other three wheels. The world's best-selling owner's workshop manual, who shall remain nameless, would have you remove the front bumper to do this. But if you remove 5 screws and 3 clips, you can loosen the front half of the inner wheel arch liner, and luckily the wheel arch liner is quite flexible. You can pull it back, you can use the brake caliper to hold it in place, and there in front of the wheel arch liner you'll find the washer bottle. And as we look at it from the right side of the car here, the right hand pump is for the front and the left hand pump is for the rear. So the two pumps are the same and are interchangeable. Place a bowl or a bucket directly under the washer bottle, lift up the clip on the connector and push the connector upwards to disconnect from the pump, and pull the top of the pump rearwards out of this clip feature in the bottle, and then wiggle and pull the motor out of its grommet and pull the hose off the pump outlet. You could of course empty the washer bottle with a siphon before doing that. But one advantage of doing it that way actually is that the stream of water will bring any debris and muck and bullets that's settled in the bottom of the bottle with it, or at least some of it. So I suggest that you discard anything that comes out like that. Before you fit your new pump, smear a little petroleum jelly around the spigot that fits into the bottle so that it slides into its grommet nice and easy. Cut a fresh end on the hose, connect the hose to the new pump outlet, make sure that it's firm, and then push the open end of the pump into its grommet nice and square and push it into the holding fixture. Reconnect the connector, and before you put everything back I suggest putting some water in the bottle and just testing it. Put in just enough water that you can see that it's above the intake of the pump, and hey presto. Finally, push your wheel arch liner back up into place. Make sure to remember where the 5 screws went, because they're some of them are different, and the clips from up here, and hey presto, job's a good one. If you got value from this video, please give it a like down by the title. Maybe consider supporting the channel by buying me a coffee, and I shall see you next time.